Pakibasa nga ng mga pangalan dito.
Acknowledgement receipt. This is to acknowledge receipt of the amount of 130,000 pesos for the purchase of information received by name Beverly Claire Pampano, date September 9, 2023.
This is P-1-8-2051 in the name of Pampano. P-1-8-2107. Quezon naman ito. Quezon. Please read.
Acknowledgement.
Cheese. In English, cheese. Matthew N. Queso. 7-15-23. Magkano to, Madam Witness?
250,000 po at na-receive ni Matthew N. Quezon noong July 15, 2023.
Ginamit for payment of supplies.
Opo.
Susunod, Nova Santos. 50,000 pesos. P-1-8-2147. Payment for the purchase of supplies. At another one, P-1-8-2195 sa isang sala Kasim, 8/11/2023 for 180,000 pesos. Itong payment of supplies na pinakita natin, ito ba ay allowable expense ng confidential funds?
Yes po, under 4.8.4 of the joint circular po.
Purchase of supplies? Is this compliant with the joint circular?
Yun po, yung sa purchase of supplies, based on the acknowledgement receipt po na ito, hindi ko ma-ascertain na talagang pinambili siya ng supplies, kaya humingi po ako ng additional documentation.
So, sa linagay sa acknowledgement receipt, purchase of supplies, hindi naman in-explain saan binili yung supply.
Wala po, ito lang pong acknowledgement receipt ang sinabi sa
Saan
akin.
ginamit yung supply? Wala din.
Nakalagay lang po dito na for confidential operations.
Okay. Lahat ng sinabi, no? At yung mga sinasabi ditong payment of supplies pa, kagaya nitong, okay. P-1-8-1933, Renan Piatos, purchase of information naman to. P-1-8-2258, kay Xiaomi. Xiaomi? 8. 100,000 pesos. Purchase of supplies. Another one, P-1-18-2092, flash on the screen, sa isang J. Kamote. 200,000, payment of purchase of supplies. 8/11/2023. At itong mangga, gumawa ataw ng fruit salad dito. May kamote, may mangga, may keso. P-1-8-2262, Migi Mango. For 50,000 pesos. Ano ang masasabi mo dito, Madam Witness?
Yung mga acknowledgement receipts po na purchase of supplies and purchase of supplies, hiningan ko po ng additional documentation to ascertain po na ipinambili po talaga ito ng supplies.
We will finish this. Kokoy Villamin. Kokoy Villamin. P-1-18-2064, 50,000 pesos. Bumili daw siya ng information. Last 4 in this list. P-1-8-2635 for Contis. Connor Adrian. 9/20/2023 for 50,000. Reward payment, P-18-2178, Hanilet Camille C, 8/3/2023, 350,000 pesos. P-1-18-2665, Christine Applegate Estrada, 50,000 pesos for reward payment. And last but not the least, P-1-18-2010, isang Denise Tanya Escudero. August 25, 2023. bumili ng information itong Escudero for 120,000 pesos. Madam Witness, may Queso, may Escudero, may Hanilet, may Estrada. Anong observation mo dito sa mga selected ARs na pinakita sa iyo?
Yung sa mga payment of rewards po, hindi po siya supported ng documents evidencing success. And yun sa purchase of supplies po, hiningan ko po ng additional documentation to ascertain na binayad po talaga ito para sa supplies na ginamit sa confidential operations.
Your Honor, please, we just have 3 certifications for the Office of the Vice President, and then we will go to the DepEd, but it's now 12 o'clock, and all with the names Apple, Queso, Manga, and etc. I think it is time for us to have lunch, Your Honor. With the permission of this honorable court.
Of course, Counsel.
Request for
If
continuance.
you think
Your
it is
Honor.
a good time to pause so that your direct examination may not be cut at an inappropriate time, Chair will accede to that.
May we ask that the witness be temporarily excused, Your Honor?
The witness is excused for lunch. Kain ka muna, Ma'am Silene.
Thank you po, Your
We resume at 12:30. Chair declares a lunch recess.